Hey there, welcome to our channel. I'm thrilled you've decided to hit that play button and join us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's design. Choose the line segment tool. Click a button, Shift. Add the first line. Click the Alt button and drag to the right. Create 12 lines. Select all lines and click Group. Click on the menu, click on the Edit, then Copy. Click on Paste in front. Click the right mouse button and change the direction to 45 degrees. Do the same steps as before. Click the right mouse button and change the direction to -45 degrees. Select all lines and click Group. Choose the Shape Builder tool. Start drawing inside the small squares. But be careful. Try not to rush so as not to make a mistake. If you make a mistake, you can go back. Just click Ctrl+Z. Don't rush. There is no lion behind you. It's just a joke. Let's continue. Make sure you check all those little shapes. But be careful. Click Alt and remove all trailing lines. But be careful. Make sure you check all those little shapes. And now add stroke 10 px. These steps are important so you can watch the video and bring your favorite drink. Click on the menu. Click Object, then Expand. Make your shape in the center. Now, it's time to add a name for your logo. For me, I liked this name. What about you? Tell me in the comments. Now add the appropriate colors. I chose dark blue because incorporating dark blue can evoke a sense of trustworthiness and competence. It can convey a professional and dependable image, which may be particularly relevant for businesses and industries. What about you? Tell me in the comments. Be careful not to leave any impurities. Now, we will create the first logo, then the second logo. You will eventually get a vertical and horizontal logo. Just watch to the end of the video. The logo must be consistent with all supports. Don't forget to save the logo as RGB colors if you use it on multiple screens. Don't forget to save the logo as CMYK colors if you use it on multiple prints. Don't forget to subscribe to watch more videos. See you in the next video. Bye.